How do I open a program via the command prompt in Windows 8? Suppose I have a program named any_program.x, and my operating system drive is C:. The location of the program is d:\any_folder\any_program.x. How do I start/execute that program via command prompt in Windows 8? I have tried the command line, start any_program.x, but it shows me an error that Windows cannot find any_program.x. Make sure you typed the name correctly, and then try again. By the way, it worked perfectly in Windows 7. And, if I type, start notepad.x, or, start firefox.x, Firefox is not installed in C drive, it works in Windows 8.
There are 3 basic ways to run a command in the command prompt. Built-ins, internal commands. These are commands built into CMD itself, and do not require an external program invocation. They also do not perform any searching, and will always be executed with the highest priority if matched. You can bypass built-ins by wrapping the executable name in quotes. Echo calls the built-in, but Echo would search following CMD rules. Direct invocation. This is when you directly specify a program name, without a path. For example, if you run cmd, cmd.exe, or ipconfig, ipconfig.exe, at the prompt, you are directly calling the external command. This performs limited searching implemented entirely within the command prompt, in this order. The current directory. The directories that are listed in the path environment variable. Thanks to Dixu for the comments. Through the start command. When you try to execute a file through the start command, command prompt does not perform any searching. Instead, it passes the file name and arguments over to Windows itself via the shell executex API call, which must then search for the file's location. There are several places it searches in the following order. Current working directory, Windows directory, Windows /system32 directory. Directories listed in path environment variable. Registry defined app paths. Note that the run dialog also uses this search method. Normally, you can either navigate to the location of the file with cd/dd:\any_folder/d means change drive, and just run any_program.exe. Alternatively, you can specify the full path d:\any_folder/any_program.exe. If you want to start it with start any_program.exe, you have a couple of options. You can put it in the Windows or System32 directories, or any directory in the path environment variable. You can add the directory it is located in, d:\any_folder, to the path environment variable. See this question for details. You can add it to the app paths registry key, as Notepad and Firefox does. App paths links a file keyword, such as firefox.exe, with the full path to the file, unlike the other options that deal with directories. See here for more information.
Or, when path or file contains spaces. Start any underscore program.x works only for those programs who are located in %path %environment variable or registered in registry in the key underscore local underscore machine / software / Microsoft / Windows / current version / app paths or its key underscore current underscore user analog.
You have two options. Add the program to your %path % variable. Use quotes in your shortcut. Detail: adding any underscore program.x to path. You can now use any underscore program.x in the run dialog box. Try logging out and back to make sure your path variable changes are used. Using complete path. Instead of using any underscore program.x in the run dialog, you need to use the complete path. So type d:\soft \up any underscore program.x in the run dialog instead.
Open command prompt. Type the name of the program you want to run. If it's on the path system variable, it will be executed. If not, you'll have to type the full path to the program. For example, to run d:\any underscore folder \any underscore program.x, type d:\any underscore folder \any underscore program.x on the command prompt and press enter.
Sportstationen, der 77 Studien.